Hey everyone, Vince here. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free Amazon gift cards in 2023. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. So the first platform is probably one of the most well-known ones, and that's called Free Cash. Free Cash has not only surveys and offers to complete, but you can also watch videos as well to generate coins, which can then be converted into Amazon currency. I think one of the best things about Free Cash is that all it takes is 1,000 coins for $1 worth of Amazon, with a minimum cash out of about $5 worth of currency. Here in Australia, I'm able to get that within about 1 to 2 hours by completing surveys. And mind you, Free Cash has offers that are willing to pay you up to hundreds of dollars if you have the time to finish them. Definitely still one of the top tier platforms on the market right now. And one of the best things about Free Cash is that they pay out instantly. Keep in mind everyone, depending on your age, country and gender, these methods will change. My experiences are based here in Australia, but hopefully you get the same in your own country. Next up, we have the money-making platform Survey Time. Survey Time allows you to complete surveys for instant $1 USD currency, and you can cash out in the form of Amazon currency. Survey Time is one of these platforms that I feel has really great potential, but is definitely going to be depending on where you live. Granted, every single survey, no matter the length, is going to pay you $1 worth of USD currency. It's actually been pretty solid in my own experience. From what I've seen, Survey Time is available in multiple countries as well, which may make it actually a great opportunity for yourself out there. You can find any referral links in the description below, by the way, if you want to try out any of the methods on today's video. Every time I've cashed out on Survey Time, they've paid me instantly. Next up, we have PolPay. PolPay allows you to cash out Amazon currency with a minimum of around $15 depending on where you live. PolPay has extremely high paying surveys, at least here in Australia, and offers that will pay you easily $5 to $10 depending on the difficulty. Now mind you, that can go all the way up to, let's say, $40 to $50 and sometimes even $100. What you'll find with these offer wall applications though is generally the harder the offer, the more longer it's going to take for you guys to complete. But I've never had an issue with PolPay in the past, and they have paid me every single time instantly without any drama. Something to also keep in mind is that these platforms not only have Amazon, but multiple other currencies as well, just in case you don't just want Amazon. The next platform to earn free Amazon on is called GrabPoints. GrabPoints is one of these fantastic platforms that has a whole multitude of different ways that you can earn these free Amazon gift cards. Here in Australia, GrabPoints allows me to generate the currency of GrabPoints, where every 1,000 GrabPoints essentially equals about $1 worth of currency. Here in Australia, I can actually cash out Amazon currency at $3 minimum, and I can achieve that easily within about 30 minutes after completing a survey or two. GrabPoints also has very high paying offers and videos that you can watch to generate the GrabPoints currency as well. Now, at least in my own experience with GrabPoints, I was paid out within about 3 to 4 hours when I requested my Amazon cash out. Something else that I want to mention as well is that I have in-depth reviews for all of these platforms on my channel. So if you're curious about it and you want to go a little bit more in depth, check out my YouTube channel for the full-length review. Next on the list, we have the money-making platform called Vinsane. Vinsane has some of the highest paying surveys I think I've found on the internet so far. Not only that though, they also have offers that are willing to pay you into the high $10 to $20 range, depending on how much time you're willing to dump into them. Now, what makes Vinsane stand out against some of the other platforms on the market is that they have a whole multitude of cash out options, but their Amazon cash out option has a $3 minimum as well. So just like GrabPoints, Vinsane also has that $3 minimum, and at least here in Australia, even though Vinsane doesn't have an instant cash out option, they generally will pay you within about 5 days after cashing out. One thing that I think Vinsane can work on is definitely their cash out time, but I've never had a problem with them in the past, and I can definitely recommend Vinsane to be used to earn free Amazon gift cards. Next up, we have the money-making platform called LifePoints. LifePoints here in Australia is nothing but a pure survey platform that rewards you with the LifePoints currency. Essentially, 100 LifePoints currency equals $1 worth of currency in real life. And at least here in Australia, I can easily earn $5 in a single hour on LifePoints. And one of the best things about Life Points is not only do they have Amazon currency, but they also have PayPal currency as well, and various other gift card options. But when it comes to cashing out your Amazon money, here in Australia, I need 550 of the Life Points currency to cash out a $5 Amazon gift card. I also know for a fact that Life Points is available in multiple countries as well. They do not have an instant payout system though, and some payouts can take up to a week in my own experience, but they are a legitimate platform. Next up, we have the money-making platform called Idle Empire. Idle Empire is a money-making platform that has surveys and offer walls, but they have a ton of them, everyone. Not only that, they have like 40 to 50 different cash out options, which is insane to me, with a coin-based currency system. Pretty much 10,000 of the coins equals $1 worth of real currency. But the thing is, when it comes to the Amazon currency, here in Australia, I need 70,000 coins for $10 worth of Australian currency worth of Amazon. Idle Empire doesn't have the highest paying surveys that I've seen, but it does the job, everyone. And I feel like if you add Idle Empire into your online earning rotation, you might actually find some sort of usefulness for this platform. When I've cashed out on Idle Empire in the past, they paid me within about 1 to 2 days, because from what I've seen, they don't have an instant cash out option, but your cash outs have to be manually reviewed. So that might have changed since I last reviewed Idle Empire, but that's what I had to experience when I cashed out on it last time. So let me just warn you guys now, you're not going to get instant cash outs. You may have to wait a few days. But all in all, Idle Empire has paid me every single time, and they offered Amazon gift card option, which is fantastic. Next up on the list, we have Qme. Qme is a top tier survey platform and application in my opinion. Not only that though, they also have cashback offers, shopping discounts, and even offers and games to install for straight up cash. This is the thing about Qme that makes it stand out above the rest in my opinion. It has a no minimum PayPal cash out, which is instant. And they also have Amazon gift card options starting at $5 minimum cash out, which I still think is extremely easy to achieve thanks to Qme having some of the highest paying surveys on the market right now. The only problem with Qme is it's not available in all countries, but if you're lucky enough to have it available in your country, definitely give it a shot, because I'm telling you now, it has some of the highest paying surveys and easiest design that I've seen on the internet. So hopefully now you understand that it is possible to earn free Amazon currency online by completing surveys and completing offers, and hopefully some of these websites and applications I've given you today will help you on your journey to do that. Please don't forget to hit like to help this video get seen around YouTube. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review. Catch you around, guys.